Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L5210DW printer driver download and installation. So first link you can see this is officially support.brother.com, this official website. So open any browser, Google search box to like that. Then first link, always download the official website. Driver download only official from the official website. Then Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile also there. So select the operating system because I am using Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about it. You can select this and installations process same. Then click to OK. After that you can see this is easy setup. This is easy setup and this is a full setup with the software. And this is only printer driver. So click on it, scroll down and then click to download. After that it will start downloading in the download box. Click on these icons, otherwise you have to come these locations where it is downloaded. Okay, and then right click to open. After that it will create the new folder. Open this. So this is your printer driver. After that click to start and then setting, then click to printer and device and then printer and scanner, then click to add device. After that it will show the manual options. After the click add it will then select the last, then next, local printer, network printer and usually manual setting, then next, click to have disk, then go to this locations, click on browse, then go to this locations which is where it is extracted. Open this, select the INF file, then next. After that click. Now find out your printer HL-L5210DW. So 5210DW, then click to next. Now this is installing, so it is done. Then next, finish. So open this and before the printing you have to restart your printer and your system also. And then if you want to share the network on this printer, so click to printer property. After that click to sharing, then check this sharing printer and then click to security, then select everyone and check to allow access printing. Okay, one by one. If guys everyone is mandatory, if everyone is not showing, so click to add and then type EVE and check name. After that it will come the everyone, then click to OK and then it will show and then check and then apply and then click to OK. Okay, then restart and then please check it. Thank you.